Hello, hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the glycogenesis. And the glycogenesis is the storage of glucose by converting glucose into the glycogen. Operate with the high level of glucose 6-phosphate and form this first reaction of glycolysis. Does not operate when energy stored glycogen are full, which means that additional glucose is converted into the body fat. The diagrammatically of glycogenolysis, glycogen, a reverse cycle of glycolysis, where is the glucose then convert glucose 6 phosphate, then glucose 1 phosphate, then glycogen form. They stored activation by insulin, inhibited by glycogen liver and epinephrine muscles, where is the UTP and glucose required. ATP and ADP energy are also required. Formation of glucose 6 phosphate in glycogenesis. Glucose is initially converted into glucose 6 phosphate using ATP. Glucose 6 phosphate converted into glucose 1 phosphate. Then UTP glucose, UTP activation glucose 1 phosphate from UTP glucose and pyrophosphate. Glycogenolysis and glycogen. The glucose in UTP glucose adds to glycogens. UTP glucose plus glycogen, glycogen glucose plus UTP. The UTP reaction with ATP to generate UTP, UDP plus ATP is converted into the UTP and ADP. That is the cycle of glucose in form to glycogens. Glycogenolysis. In glycogenolysis, glycogen is break down to glucose. Glucose molecules are removed one by one from end the glycogen chain to yield glucose 1 phosphate. Here is the glycogen activation by glucagon, liver and epinephrine muscle inhibited by insulin. They are converted into the glucose 1 phosphate, then glucose 6 phosphate. They may be recircle the glycolysis, then liver and kidney only make the glucose. Glycogenolysis is activated by glucagon, low blood glucose, bound glucose to phosphate to form glucose 1 phosphate, glycogen, glucose plus pyruvate, glycogen plus glucose 1 phosphate. Glycogen is glucose 1 phosphate activate glucagon, liver and epinephrine muscle inhibit the insulins.